Sunny Oban. Look at this beautiful day. It's been a long time since we had a beautiful day. I'm at the marina waiting for my bus home. Look, lots of boats in, lots of yachty darlings. A little envious. Would love to be going on one of those. So there we go. Sunshine. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. What on earth is that? Okay, pause. Okay, unpause. So, really, that used to be my favourite building in Oban. Who takes an Art Deco building and decides rhubarb and custard is the colour to go with? Really? I mean, seriously? Rhubarb and custard? That used to be beautiful. It used to be cream and black. And it had the old Art Deco ball lights. No, it's hideous. Laters.